2 gold medals in as many days. The second one over the 200 free in a 1:41.0 time. Where did that come from?
I'm so happy. So last night 400 final, and then good time and finish, and then today also before championship record Ryan Lucky, and then broken today, so 41.3, and so pretty good. I'm so happy. Yeah.
What does this mean for you after missing Rio?
So in Rio, very bad finish, and then after Rio, so national championship, good time, good finish, and then keep harder training, and then last 2 weeks ago in Tokyo, so long course, pretty good time, and then so this short course, pretty good.
What did you see during the final? Because you went out very, very fast in the first 100.
What time is 49 low. So last 100 Chad, very so fast. Last 50, 24. My time is 25 some low. Very dangerous last 50. Yeah, so pretty good time first 100.
But did you see them in the middle lane?
No, just by yourself today.